Hello everyone, this is Dave Clancy with Seiler Instrument, and today I'm going to go over backing up your Trimble data folder using a flash drive on a TSC7, Ranger 7, and T7 tablet. To get started, what we're going to want to do is make sure we have a USB-A flash drive that has enough open space to copy and paste our Trimble data folder over to. Inside of the Trimble data folder are going to be a couple of subfolders. And two of those are going to be the project folder and the system files folder. Inside of the project folder, that's going to be where the job files are, CSV files, TXTs, along with map files, job reports, and scan data if you're using an SX10 or an SX12. And inside of the system file folder is going to be style sheets, job templates, along with VRS and state RTK logins. With backing these up, we can either move them to a different data collector, or if you're doing the Windows 10 relicensing, once that reimage is applied with the updated license for Windows updates through 2032, we can bring these files back over to the collector and not have to rebuild them at all. When you're backing up your data, it's always good to have multiple copies of that data. So you can use flash drives, you can use your computer, you can use external hard drives, whatever your preference of choice is. Today we're going to go over backing it up using a flash drive, but you can also use these same methods to do it through either Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, your favorite cloud sharing app. So to get started, what we're going to do is open up a project folder, open up Trimble Access first, and then we're going to open up any project folder and any job folder. Job file. So we're going to go into the menu option, top left-hand corner here, the three lines. We're going to go into Job Data and File Explorer. So this is going to open up the Windows File Explorer to our project folder. If you're not seeing the long address bar here, we'll hit the up arrow twice. For this one, we're going to go into the Trimble Data folder. So once we have the Trimble Data folder here, we can select properties and see how much data is inside of it. So here we got 751 megabyte size, 750, 469 files and 12 folders. We're going to want to remember that and then check our flash drive. So we'll have it selected and hit properties again. And we see that we have enough space here to copy it over. So once we do that, we can just hit back arrow one more time, and it's going to bring us to our Trimble folder. To copy the Trimble data folder, we can either hold it down and hit copy, or from the Home tab, we can select copy right up here. Once we have that copied, we can go into the D drive, and we will paste that right inside of there. Once the Trimble data folder is copied and pasted over to our flash drive, we'll have it highlighted again and we will select properties. Here we're just going to verify that everything came over with the 469 files and 12 folders. So that's transferring the Trimble data folder over using Trimble Access. So now we'll exit out of Trimble Access here, and we'll do it right through the Windows home screen. When we're on the Trimble's home screen here, if you don't have a File Explorer shortcut, either in the taskbar or on your home screen, what we can do is go into Search and type in File Explorer. So it'll bring it up over here, or on the right hand side, we can select either of those. Now from the quick access to navigate to it, we're going to go into our C drive, and we're going to go into program data. If you don't see program data there, we need to turn on hidden items. To turn those on, we're going to go into view and check hidden items over here. Once that's selected, we can go into program data, Trimble, and here's our Trimble data folder. So same process as before, we'll select the properties, verify 469 and 12, Then we will go into the USB flash drive here, and same process, we will paste. It's already in here, so we're not going to go ahead and do that again. But here you can see by holding down and we go to properties, once again we have the 469 files and 12 folders. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at our toll-free number at 844-266-7266, or feel free to send us an email at surveysupport@seilerinst.com. Thank you.